this I'm just prepping for gluing because we have a lot to glue. And if I were cutting it while it was gluing, that wouldn't be very efficient. So I'm trying to cut everything beforehand. So we'll just have a fat stack of stuff to glue. And then I can spend the rest of the day in the glue pit. It'll be good. What am I wearing? Oh, people always give me a hard time for this. It's just my wolf shirt that I use as an apron. If you notice, it's got little swatches and things on it because when I use the Box X machine, it spits up oil at me, and I started realizing my entire collection of clothes is covered in little splotches now, so I figured, well, maybe I'll just do it to the wolf shirt only. So yeah, they will be making our Warrior Ultra grips. So if you notice, they got the tread on there, really thin material. It's got the nice tread, and then here's our Ultra Grip footbed. It's big enough that it's really hard to carry and move around.
How much does it weigh, Willie?
Almost as much as you, TK, and that's saying something.
It is saying something. And you can lift it too, you're so strong.
These rolls come in a default size, and so I'm just trying to use the material as, you know, we've got sheets this size and we've got longer ones and little pieces, and just trying to organize them in a way that wastes as little as possible. So, and then even this little stuff that's left we can use for single pieces that we cut out and stuff. So I think I've done 8 so